Okay, this is the last video for section 9.5, and this is looking at a savings account here. It's giving you a table showing you a December balance in a simple interest account starting in 1996 and going to 2000. When you see this starting from 1996, that's when your time is 0. And we're going to say time, we're going to call it N. N equals 0 in 1996. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually label up above here. This is when N is 0, when N is 1, N is 2, N is 3, N is 4. Okay, part A, it says the balances form an arithmetic sequence and they want us to know what the common difference is. Well, common difference is when you take the following term and you subtract the previous term. So D here, if I take 20,016 and I subtract 18,000, you can see my common difference is 2016. Okay, write a formula for the balance in the account N years after December 1996. Okay, so if we start by saying our A sub 0, let's just say. So what's our initial amount? That's 18,000. Well, how much is it changing by? It's changing by 2016. This arithmetic sequence kind of looks linear. You can say your A sub N is, what is it changing by? What is your slope, which is 2016, times N, plus the original starting amount, which was 18,000. Okay, lastly, it asks us to find the sum of the December balances from 1996 to 2006 inclusive. Okay, so inclusive means from 1996 to 2006, how many years? So including 1996 and including 2006, there's 11 years. So we're going to say when N is 11. Okay, well, if you remember from our arithmetic sum of a finite sequence, you take your N, which is 11, divide it by 2, multiply that by the quantity of the first term, which is 18,000, plus the last term. Okay, well, I have to find that last term, and you can find that last term by taking A sub 11 and plugging in 11 for N. So you have 2016 times 11 plus I'm going to take that back. 2016 times 10 times our original, or plus our original amount, which is 18,000. I'm taking 10 years of that and adding it to our original balance because that 18,000 does include our original balance. So our first year. Okay, so that total should come out to be 38,160 in the 11th year. So we're going to add that up here, 38,160. All right, so if you take 11 divided by 2, that's 5.5 or 5.5 times the quantity of 18,000 plus 38,160. And after 11 years, the sum of all the balances are going to come out to be $308,880. Okay, this is the end of your 9.5 videos. Good luck on your 9.5 homework.